Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 68 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Quick review first. 觉得 feel, think. 健康 health. 意见 opinion. 春节 Chinese New Year. 儿童 children. 庆祝 celebrate. 餐厅 dining room. 点菜 order dishes. 喝茶 have some tea. 检查 inspect check. 长期 long term. 厕所 toilet. Now follow me to learn 复制粘贴下载 in Chinese. 复制复制 means copy. Copying the data to the temporary directory. 将数据复制到这个临时目录。复制，sorry。复制，copy 复制。Next one 粘贴，yes, it means paste. Paste this code into your test class and save it. 将此代码粘贴到你的测试，并保存。粘贴米站贴背站粘贴The third one 下载 means download. 下载下载土车下载 download. Where can I download it? 我从哪里下载呢？下载 OK 复制复制复制 copy 粘贴粘贴粘贴 paste 下载下载下载 download. That's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.